Okay, just want to show you this Yashica Electro that I have. Let me show you aesthetics first lah. Okay, the front, the back. Sorry, this one missing. The cap is missing. The top and the bottom. The mirror one side actually it broke off. I have the piece here. If you buy this, then I'm gonna stick it here. Then you can have it. You can have it together with yourself. I mean, you can keep it, and then maybe like restore it somehow. Maybe by sticking it on. I'm not sure. So the issue about this camera is that it fires, but somehow it doesn't fire. Let me show you. So when I press, actually there's someone response, so I can wind it. See? I can't just keep on winding. I need to fire first. However, when I fire, it doesn't. The mirror doesn't move. The shutter doesn't move. So it's same as not firing, but some mechanism is still triggered. Show you the behind. Yeah, so cannot. So yeah, so you can buy this for parts or to repair. Gonna sell this cheap lah. Thanks everyone.